Hi everybody, it's me, CreativeSarah, back again. This time I'm going to show you how to make a super cute, adorable farmhousey alphabet board. So here we got a big G because we are the big G's. This is for our last name, and I am going to take the most adorable, let me pull this up so you guys can see it, the most adorable patterned transfer. You guys, this is a transfer. It's like a stencil. It's actually a silk screen. So I'm gonna only do half. So this sticky backed transfer is on a backer sheet. I'm gonna lift half of this out. I'm gonna pop this over here so that I can fill the bottom half of the big G with some cute designs. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it up so it's where I want it to be. And I want it straight, perfect. So because there are straight edges here, straight lines here, I'm able to do that real easily. Now I'm gonna choose my chalk paste. It's not paint, guys, it's actual chalk, like school chalk, but it's liquidy. And I'm just going to scoop it up on my squeegee, and I am going to squeegee across the G. OMG, you guys, this is so cute. Don't you love it? Wait till it's totally done. You're gonna have a gaga moment. Also, could you imagine if you cut this ornate stencil with your cutting machine and you had to weed all these little pieces? Could you even imagine? Not me. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. All right, you guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Now this chalk is still wet. We do need to dry it, but watch. OMG! Look how cute! Follow me for more information or check out CreativeSarah.com. Bye, guys.